Till now we have discussed about inbuilt functions or methods and user-defined functions or methods, and we did write the syntax for user-defined function method also. And now we will discuss static method in Java. Static method, a very confusing concept and at the same time very important topic, very important interview question also. Static. What is static? Static, the name itself indicates that it has, unless or until it has been given an action, or unless or until it's been asked to do something, it won't do anything. It stays stable, static. That means in a rest position, or you can say static state. So simply saying, a static method in Java, it belongs to class. It belongs to class rather than any result of the class. That means any object of the class. We create an object using class. So this static method doesn't belong to the object, but it directly belongs to the class. So simply saying, a static method in Java belongs to the class rather than any instance of the class. That means it can be called directly using the class name. Okay, we can call the static method directly using the class name. We don't need an object to create to call a static method. Okay, static methods are often used for utility or for helper methods. Simply saying, static means lacking in movement. So static method in Java, a static method in Java belongs to the class rather than any instance, or you can hear instance in the sense result of the class. We call it as a result of the class, or we can say object of the class, or the key term object. So so this static method in Java doesn't belong to class. Sorry, it doesn't belong to object, but it directly belongs to the class. This means it can be called directly using the class name without creating any object of the class. So key features of static method: class level association. Yeah, as we said, the members of this, if you declare a variable static int a, so this variable is directly associated to the class. Memory allocated only during the class, allocated once during class loading, and the memory efficiency, it reduces the memory efficiency. And static members can be directly accessed without creating any object, like we said. So the syntax of a static method will be access specifier, like we discussed in the previous adventure, where we have discussed the access specifier, return type, and method name. So similarly here also we will have access specifier, return type, and a method name, but in between we will have this static keyword. Static is a keyword, guys, remember that. So that means how we can write a static method is public static int method name add number. So that's how we write a static method. So here we will have our parameters, and then here we will have our operation. That's it. That's how it could be. It's done. So this is what all static. It is what about static method is. So it's very important interview questions. So you can make a note of this. Thank you.